Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Shades of Grey. This time we will be doing Robb Vices. So, of course, you guys know I always read. So born out of the Robb Report magazine, Robb Vices is the hand curated luxury items delivered to your door. Every month you get a story, you get story treasures and find wines, food, toys, tools, spirits, accessories, and technical items delivered to your door along with a book to tell their story. Since most of the items contain alcohol, you must be 21 to get this box. Um, so here's the breakdown for the cost, because that's really what we all want to know. So for an annual membership, it's $9.95 per month, totaling $1,190.40 charge on your card. For 6 month membership, it's $109 per month, totaling $659.70 charge on your card. For a 3 month membership, it's $195.95 a month. That's the one we got, totaling $359.85 a charge. And if you want to pay month to month, that'll be $129.95 a month. Because these boxes do contain alcohol, they cannot be shipped to Alabama, Alaska, Hawaii, Mississippi, North Dakota, and Utah. If you do not like that and you're from those states, talk to your congressperson or senator, because it is their fault, not ours. We just deliver the message. All right, so let's check out the box.
All right, so it's a little booklet. All right, guys. So basically, what's in this Robb Vices box is big old bottle of tequila.
Tequileno. I forgot how to pronounce it with the end at the accent over the end.
No.
Yeah.
Who knows? And some infused ice cube.
So what you do is you add your tequila, you put it in the box because it has different herbs and spices in those, and then you add it to your drink. Which is very cool. I've never seen that before. Have you?
Yeah, no, I haven't actually.
So those are the two items that are in the box, and like I said, this is $120 for this box.
I wonder how much this is. I'm gonna Google it really quick.
Okay, so she's gonna Google it real quick. But with that came a sort of a VIP experience for the company's website, along with the code to unlock the VIP experience. I believe that way you can buy more products for this company, and get information about their membership. So experience our tequila at its birthplace in the town of Tequila, Jalisco, Mexico, a World Heritage Site. Stay at our boutique hotel. They have a hotel. That's awesome. Casa Saez Hotel Boutique, located next to our historic distillery. To our distillery and meet our familiar. So this is pretty much an invitation to come stay at the hotel and see the distillery. It's part of the VIP package, and I'm sure you get a discount by going through Robb Vices. Did you find the price?
I did. So how much is this thing again?
It's $120.
Okay, so I'm just looking online, and first of all, it's super rare because I can hardly find it, and then the two places that I was able to find it is $179 for a bottle. Like, my screen is cracked. I don't know if y'all can see. $179 and $179 again. Reposado rare, never, and that's what this is. So wow, okay.
So she already poured some out, because the last time we did this, it froze on us.
Yeah, so I just poured a little bit before this video, and then like
she wanted to try it straight.
It froze. I'm not a huge drinker though, guys, so I can't give you that. This is very dry on the palate, and I'm
tasting notes of oak.
You're not gonna get that from me because I'm not a drinker, but I'm gonna try my best.
Bombs up, boo.
Woo. Oh
Does it
no,
smell good?
it ain't gonna be. Yeah.
Do you
Do
you like tequila?
liquor. I'm not a drinker, y'all. Like when I go to the bar, I'm like, give me whatever. Literally, like I don't even have a drink.
When I go to the bar, say, give me Shirley Simple.
Childish. But you see, I'm like babysitting. Okay. Okay. It's smooth. It tastes like.
It's funny because when people say it's smooth, I always go, it's smooth. That's why I hate when people say it's smooth.
It tastes like what's that? Gold. I'm putting some Diet Coke in here. It tastes like Patron. Is it gold? Is it? I don't know, but that's what it tastes like. Was it the 18? One of them, or Jose
Cuervo?
Gold, whichever one got the gold. That's what it tastes like. Y'all are probably like, girl, stop. I'm not a drinker, y'all, but it's good. Tastes expensive. Let's try it with the Coke. Ooh. It's good, y'all. Okay, it's real smooth. Okay.
So
yeah, y'all gonna like that.
Those are the only 2 products in this box. So it's not like one of the boxes that have like 8
but it's worth it because the bottle alone was $180.
Okay.
And it was rare, like it was only on this random rare website, so.
And like I said, you get a VIP key to go to their hotel and stay at the distillery. So you can always do that. And I need to do this before I post that video because I realized y'all can see the code. So don't try it before I post the video. I'm going to go on the website and use it. I'm not playing with y'all. Okay, so so for the month to month, that would have been $129. Was it worth $129 for the month to month to you?
If you're a drinker. If you're not a drinker, that's a waste of your money. But I assume you're not gonna get the box unless you like to indulge a little. But
now, say most boxes. There have been some boxes that didn't come
if you don't like tequila, I mean, you may not like tequila.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. If you're not a tequila person, this box would have been a waste of your time.
And did they tell you what kind of?
No.
Yeah. So
there's no picking. There's no choosing. They just send you a box.
If you were the cognac type, or
I know somebody who's a cognac type. Hey.
You know who you are.
Yeah. You watching it. You know who you are.
Yeah, if you don't like tequila, that might be the one type of alcohol you don't like, and that's what they said. So it's like,
yeah, they would have been a party bottle that you pull out with your friends.
Yeah, this is a good. This is.
You like it?
Yeah, and I feel it already too, like a little. See, like I said, I don't drink yet, but it get right to you. It get right to you because I already I'm having a good time here.
We got to keep them party set decorations up for another week.
Yeah. It's my birthday, y'all. On May 6th, I turned 30.
30.
So we had a little quarantine situation back there.
Yes, we got on a call with a whole bunch of her friends, and we did it that way. Now, could we have had this beforehand and really partied? That would have been amazing. But like she said, if you're not a tequila person, you're not a drinker, this box would have been a waste of your money.
Yeah.
So you have to know this is a hit or miss box for you depending on the alcohol. Now, if you just like alcohol, like Stone Cold Steve Austin, you just like your alcohol, this is a great box for you. Yeah. But if you're the only type of person who only likes
collect alcohol.
Yeah, you collect alcohol. Like you like the rare stuff that you can't find anyplace else, and you want to find a place to get it, this would have been a box for you. But if you only like wine, or you only like champagne, or you only like beer, or you only like cognac, or you only like vodka, this won't be the box for you. Is it worth it? Yes, but will it be a hit and miss for you? If you're particular, absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. So I would say if you love alcohol, get this box. If not, don't. And we got 2 more months of this, so I hope you're game to keep trying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, ain't that too?
Oh, I didn't ask you. So, what do you think? Is it worth it?
Yeah, I think it's worth it if you are open to all different types of alcohol. If not, you can always gift it to somebody. You don't do tequila, and that's what you end up getting. You can gift it to somebody that does. I think it's worth
I'll
it.
make them pay. As much as I spent on this box, you gonna pay.
Yes, and what you say, $129
for a month to month. We paid $119 because we got 3 months.
And this bottle was $180. So I mean, it's obviously it's worth it, but is it worth it to you?
Yeah, and to me, I'm not a drinker, so this box means nothing to me.
Yeah, and I'll get drunk off of like a $5 bottle. So I'm not to this level yet to where it even matters what I'm drinking, because it's all going to get me to the same place. How I feel in the morning is always questionable. But I'm not to the paying over. Like, I feel like the most expensive thing I've bought is probably like Hennessy or something. And yeah, like, I'm not to this point, but you know, it's cool to bring out somewhere and like.
Oh yeah, your friends think you balling.
Yeah.
Balling.
We'll just keep it on. If you got like a little bar, our parents have like a little bar in their basement. It's cool, so you know, something like that.
This might end up down there, unless you want it.
Don't put me on the spot right here.
All right.
Don't put me on the spot right here.
Well, with that, Mother's Day's tomorrow.
Yeah.
So if you got this box, you can go to your mom and make it a very happy Mother's Day for her.
Happy Mother's Day to all the moms.
Happy Mother's Day. So this is a box if you love alcohol. Other than that, this is a hit or miss box for you.
Yeah.
So in life there's black and white, but with us you always get a shade of gray. Bye guys.